Finally, we made it to Friday. It is Friday, June 20th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. It is a lot quieter today. Yesterday, we had a lot of scattered showers and thunderstorms and some severe weather, especially in eastern New York, eastern Pennsylvania, through New Jersey, and even right through the New York City metro. So today is much quieter. We saw the sunshine, and we still have really hot temperatures too. So let's get on with the forecast. We're off to a sunny start, but it is breezy this morning in New York City, and what you'll notice too is the humidity is a lot lower than it was yesterday. So as the day goes on, that 83 degrees is going to feel really nice, especially with that breeze. And thankfully, the gusty winds that we have this morning are going to taper off a little bit. It's still going to be breezy, but not so much so for this afternoon. It looks like it'll be a beautiful evening in New York City with temperatures settling into the upper 70s later on this evening. Much cooler in Albany and Syracuse, Rochester, and Buffalo today as well. 81 in Albany, but 70s from Syracuse, Rochester over to Buffalo. 85 today with sunshine in Philadelphia. So there is a warm front just off to our southwest that's going to push back to the north. So right now we have a cold front that's pushed down to the south. That's why it feels much more comfortable. But now a warm front's going to push back up to the north. The humidity is going to return over the weekend, and it is going to get increasingly hotter. And we could have some really hot temperatures going into early next week. With the warm front lifting north in western and central New York, there could be some scattered showers and storms tonight. These are going to be rolling northwest to southeast. So some of this actually could linger into tomorrow morning. And I mentioned that because I know it's Central New York Pride this weekend. So folks out that way paying close attention to Saturday morning's forecast for some showers and storms maybe lingering. I think they'll clear out though by the afternoon. This is what the front looks like today. So the initial cold front has settled south. That's why we got a bit of a more comfortable air mass. But now this warm front's lifting back up to the north, and we'll have those showers and storms rolling off that warm front later on tonight. There's a lot of hot weather out here to the west. That's going to slide east here over the weekend. We're going to feel it in a big way. I mean, look at this weekend forecast. Still some showers and storms lingering in western and central New York here on Saturday, but we're going to be well into the 80s with increasing humidity. 90 in Syracuse on Sunday. Same for you in Albany with some pop-up showers and storms. In New York City, we're 83 tomorrow and then 90 on Sunday. 94 on Sunday afternoon in Philly. And I think that really kicks off what could be potentially a heat wave for the beginning of next week. So look at this forecast. Near 90 on Sunday, 95 on Monday, 96 on Tuesday. Here in the Northeast, a heat wave is defined by 3 consecutive days at 90 or above. So there you go, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Could it be a 4-day heat wave? Potentially, if we hit 90 on Wednesday. So a pretty good stretch of hot weather here, and then temperatures will cool off a little bit later next week. All right, that is your Friday forecast. I hope that everyone has a terrific weekend. For those in central New York and even into upstate New York, I know Watertown's having their their Pride this weekend, just like central New York. So happy Pride to everyone. It is Pride Month after all, and have a great weekend. I'll see you all back here on Monday.